Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. So today I need to get started in my kitchen because I realize I have not deep cleaned this kitchen in quite some time. So everything needs wiped down. That's what I'm going to handle first, and then we are going to move on from there. If you are new here, I'm Kim, KYM. Welcome. This is my home. I love to do content pertaining to home life, shopping, cooking, cleaning, organizing, my chaos, as well as so many other things like repairs and that sort of thing. If that is something that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe and hit the like button, as it does help my channel. I appreciate you for taking the time out of your day to hang out with me. I do not take it lightly, so I'm very thankful for you.
I was pretty when I met you. Now I'm prettier than ever. Took a second to forget you, boy. Only one. If you wanted to hurt me, well, you failed big time. 'Cause I knew you would panic and run. I won't chase you, baby. I'm too good without. If you think that I'm crying, you're wrong. I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. If you wanted to hurt me, well, you failed big time. 'Cause I knew you would panic and run. I won't chase you.
So the first thing that I want to do is give my cabinets a good wipe down. I am going to wipe them down with the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant because it smells amazing.
You'll have to let me know below in the comments what your favorite cleaner is when you're cleaning off your cabinets. The Mr. Clean Yellow Disinfectant is perfect for the cabinets. Not only is it a disinfectant, but it smells amazing.
Feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're
How have you been since we last spoke? I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you're saying your affirmations and loving on yourself and just giving yourself a hug, because you really, really do deserve it.
Things got so complicated.
This is what I call the lazy way of cleaning out the stove inserts. I really just did not feel like taking them out, putting them in the sink and getting them all cleaned off. So I sprayed them with my vinegar and I just cleaned off the inside, and it just had like food residue in there. Typically when you walk in your kitchen and it smells weird, it's from food residue, either on your stove, your sink, or on your floor. And for me, it just probably was all three. It just really needed a good wipe down.
No, I don't need a heartbreak. I don't need to save you. 'Cause I gotta be you. 'Cause I gotta be you. No, I don't need a heartbreak. I don't need to change you. 'Cause I gotta be you. 'Cause I gotta be you.
So I forgot that I turned the self cleaner on a few days ago. Thank goodness no one has made anything, because there's quite a mess underneath there. So we got to get that cleaned out.
I'm also using the vinegar to clean the inside of the stove off. Typically, I only use vinegar to clean off my stove, but I also love the Method degreaser just because it's so great with grease and getting it up. So I do use that as well, but let me tell you something. Vinegar works the best.
I've been waiting here.
I always put foil at the bottom of the oven because it keeps it nice and clean. The oven does look good. Sorry about the lighting on the oven. I need to replace it.
How often are you getting able to deep clean your kitchen? Or like, every time you clean your kitchen, do you wipe your cabinets off? Like, what is your routine when you clean your kitchen? Well, before I got sick and now dealing with long COVID, I would clean my cabinets off like every single time I clean my kitchen, which would be like 3 times a week. And I'm talking like deep cleaning. Yes, I used to deep clean my kitchen 3 times a week. Okay. But I have OCD, so just work with me. That's besides the point. The point is now I definitely need to, clean the cabinets off more often. Obviously, if I see something, I clean it up because they're white. However, I've only been cleaning them off now like once a month, and I definitely, should do it way more than that.
No, I don't need a heartbreak. I don't need to say
When you're cleaning off your countertops and your tables and you're picking the items up to clean underneath them, are you cleaning off the items as well? I always find myself wiping them off. I will never understand why the cabinet above the refrigerator gets so sticky and all that great stuff. I just don't get it. It took me a minute to scrub the first cabinet. I just cut it out of the video. But yeah, it was a hot mess express.
Stare into the sun, moments holding on, and we hold our breath. Close enough to burn, but I never learn. Try to make it last. Could it be different? Could we be different?
Thank you again for being here. I really appreciate you so much. I know you peep out all that stuff back there. Yeah, don't judge me, okay? Anywhere in my house where I can figure out if there's some type of holding space to like put some extra stuff, I'm gonna use it, okay? So yeah, I use that back there for extra storage, but there is a lot of stuff back there because I do have some projects that I want to work on. And that just happens to be the holding space for all of those items.
When it's so said and done, you say you wanna run. Could you keep my pace? Close enough to show. Gotta let it go before it's too.
What do you guys have planned for Memorial Day? Do you get with your family and have big cookouts, or do you just do stuff with like your immediate family in your home? Let me know below in the comments. I plan on eating, okay? Because if I can eat, life is just great, wonderful, and good. So I'm gonna eat.
This heart has been broken so many times, and I will try until I found another heart that beats like mine. Stare into the sun, moments holding on.
I know there are a lot of people who clean their baseboards anytime seasons change. So now it's spring. Be sure to clean those baseboards off. That's your friendly reminder. Plus, there's probably a lot of dust on them because if you know you live anywhere like me, you live in a dust bucket.
Friend, what are we missing? 'Cause the night's so young, 'cause the night's so young, so young, young, young. I will try.
One hack that I always do with my sponges is cut them in half. It makes them last so much longer. You save money. So it's definitely something that's really good to do.
Until I found another heart that.
So every time I walk down the stairs, I noticed that it looked like someone had spilled something on the walls. And then I thought about it like, it's been a while since I've cleaned these walls off. I can't even sit here and think about when the last time it was. So I figured, you know what? I need to get these walls cleaned off. And I'm glad I did because the water was so gross. But like the next day when I walked down the hallway, it just felt really, really good. You know what I mean?
You look so good in my sweater. Winter's my favorite weather, 'cause it brings you close, and I need you close. Yeah, wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better. Gotta love you close, and I need you close. I need you close, yeah. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends.
Another area that I don't hit enough is the TV, and I'm not really sure why, but yeah, I definitely need to clean my TVs off way more often than I do.
Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away.
When I cleaned off the walls and the baseboards, I did use the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant. Since I had disinfectant on my rag anyway, I just went around and handled the light switches and everything. Those are big things that people really don't think about to clean off, are your like light switches and your door handles, that sort of thing. So go handle that. Go handle your business, girl. There's also an easy way to remember all this stuff, okay? So like if you have your Windex out, go clean off your mirrors and also your windows, because you have that Windex out and you might as well just use it for anything that you can use it for in the specific room that you're in. So that's typically what my mindset is anytime I'm cleaning.
Think you should explain.
Another item that I need to do better with cleaning is the vacuum. I know if you've been here for a while, you have seen me clean out the hair in this vacuum 1,000 gazillion, a million times, if that's even a number, because I feel like that's how many times I've done it. At any rate, this Shark vacuum, I promise you it has like 9 lives. It just works so good, but I definitely need to clean it more often.
Tell me to.
Talk about it smelling so clean in here. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. Now I need to just make sure that I do a speed clean in my bathroom, my half bath downstairs. Like I said, just a really, really quick speed clean. This is the bathroom that gets cleaned like every single day.
Do you remember me mentioning the OCD? Yeah, with toilets, I clean toilets several times a day in my home. We have 3 of them, but they get cleaned often.
I know y'all see that big old spider. You see that thing right there? That's why I keep vinegar around the house, okay?
Let me tell you something. Vinegar will take out an insect in less than 20 minutes, okay? So it just does so many great things, and that's why I love using it.
Oh, I don't tell anybody no. That I'm feeling so miserable. All my friends tell me to.
So I'm sure you're wondering why this mirror is on the floor. Yes, I'm wondering the same thing, okay? Because all I know is I just heard a loud thump, 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 and my daughter came running in my room, and I'm in the bathroom looking around like, what is going on? And then we noticed that the mirror was on the floor. However, praise God that the mirror did not shatter. I am so blessed and I'm so thankful, because that's not something that would be easy to get cleaned up. And yes, the plastic contraption is on the wall. However, my drywall is terrible. But you know, I like pulling my tools out anyway. So I was up for the challenge of hanging the mirror and just checking the other mirrors in the house just to ensure that the plastic 𝐸𝐔𝐿 thing was on there. I don't know what it's called. So I'm sure one of you will let me know in the comments.
So from when the mirror fell down, it just left a couple marks. I'm gonna get those up. It's dirty anyway.
Anytime I'm cleaning a bathroom, or a lot of things actually, I use my concoction, and that is the Blue Dawn dish soap, as well as isopropyl alcohol, water, and white vinegar. I'm telling you what, that combination is amazing for so many different things.
Got a little lost in the possibility. Got a little lost in the thought of you and
hope you enjoyed today's video. I have to end it here. There's so much to do in so little time. I have so many different things that I need to handle today, but I just ran out of time. Those things will be here tomorrow. Please do not forget to hit subscribe. Also hit the like button because it shows YouTube that people actually do like my content.
Say